Your baby's important developmental milestone. Is your little wonder showing signs of creeping? Congratulations! Your baby is going to achieve one of the many milestones in their first year after birth. At what age do infants start creeping? As soon as your baby can sit independently without any kind of support, they may try to be more mobile than before. For the next 2 months, your baby will progress greatly and may begin with creeping, scooting, rocking, rolling, and squirming. Once your baby shows the readiness to creep, you should offer a lot of free space to your little munchkin to move freely. You can also lure your kid to move by placing their favorite toys at a distance. Sometimes babies may also creep backwards, but don't worry, it's normal. This is because moving the legs backwards is easier than moving forward, but soon your baby will be on the right track. Why is creeping an important milestone for babies? 1. Creeping helps the baby learn various concepts, such as up or down, far or near, under or over, etc. 2. More importantly, creeping helps strengthen the muscles, which improves the baby's fine motor skills. 3. Baby's vision gets better tuned, which is advantageous in attaining better of focus as the baby grows. 4. Baby learns about the timing and rhythm of the body, which aids them in walking and running later. What if the baby doesn't creep? If you notice your baby is not creeping, you can involve them in activities and games that encourage creeping and crawling. Activities such as tumbling, rocking, spinning, and rolling stimulate the cerebellum, inhibiting primitive reflexes and muscle tone development. Do premature babies creep? Yes, premature babies creep, too. The only difference is time. Premature babies start creeping a little later, 1 to 2 months, than full-term babies. Your baby is unique and develops at their own pace. Remember not to compare your baby with others and let them develop when they are ready.